Toyota, Lexus recall 65,000 cars to replace Takata airbag parts permanently. Remember the Lexus SC, Some Toyota and Lexus owners will soon breathe a sigh of relief, knowing that there won't be Takata-made airbag inflators in their vehicles anymore, whether or not they're faulty. Toyota announced this week that it is recalling approximately 60,000 examples of the 2003-2005 Toyota Corolla, 2002-2005 Toyota Sequoia, 2003-2005 Toyota Tundra and 2002-2005 Lexus SC. These vehicles, now, this second recall will replace those newer Takata parts with inflators sourced from non-Takata suppliers. They cost tens of originally, according to NHTS's schedule for replacement, this recall was supposed to happen in December 2019. Toyota advanced the Takata scandal started because the supplier tried to save money by removing a moisture-absorbing desiccant from its airbag inflators, which are the parts responsible for quickly inflating the airbag in a crash. If exposed to moisture, follow MSN Auto's Onanda.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Cracking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park,